Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Smart Home Hub. If you are tired of bulky, corded vacuums and the hassle of tangled hair, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a look at the Kissof S17 Pro cordless vacuum cleaner, a machine that promises powerful cleaning without the headaches. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Power and performance. First off, let's talk about power. This is not your average cordless vacuum. The S17 Pro is equipped with a beefy 550-watt motor that delivers an incredible 55 kPa of suction. Whether it's dust on your hardwood floors or stubborn pet hair embedded in your carpets, this vacuum tackles it all with ease. And the best part? It's surprisingly quiet, running at under 58 dB, so you won't disturb your family or furry friends while you clean. Unmatched convenience and endurance. The S17 Pro is designed for real-world use. It comes with 8 independent rechargeable batteries, giving you a runtime of up to 60 minutes on a single charge, more than enough to clean your entire home. And if you have a larger space, you can simply swap out the battery to keep going. What I love most is its self-standing design. You can literally stop cleaning, walk away, and the vacuum will stand up right on its own. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference. For storage, it also comes with a convenient wall bracket. Smart features and superior filtration. This isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a smart one. The built-in LED display shows you everything you need to know at a glance. Battery percentage, brush status, and even if there's a clog. But what about the air you breathe? The S17 Pro has an advanced 8-stage HEPA filtration system that captures 99.9% of fine dust as small as 0.1 microns, ensuring the air it expels is cleaner than the air you started with. Versatility and design. This vacuum is all about getting into those tough spots. The flexible floor brush head swivels 180 degrees from side to side and 90 degrees up and down, making it easy to reach under furniture and into tight corners. Pet owners will particularly love the V-shaped Anti-Tangle floor brush, which dramatically reduces the amount of hair that gets wrapped around the brush roll. Plus, with a 2-in-1 brush head and a long flat brush head, you can easily clean everything from stairs and curtains to your car. Final thoughts. The Kissof S17 Pro is more than just a vacuum, it's a cleaning solution. With its powerful suction, long battery life, self-standing design, and smart features, it takes the pain out of daily cleaning tasks. It's perfect for anyone who wants a powerful, convenient, and versatile vacuum for their home. If you're looking to upgrade your cleaning game, the S17 Pro is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you liked this review, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and let us know what you think of this amazing vacuum in the comments below.